Hello and welcome to Gift Experiences. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete process of exchanging an experience on our platform. If you have purchased an experience that you wish to exchange for another experience, go to My Experiences page and click on the Exchange button on the experience that you would like to swap out. This explains the exchange process. Essentially, you can browse the experiences, find the one you like, and click Exchange for this experience button to start the process. Important thing to note, only confirmed bookings can be exchanged, and each experience can only be exchanged once. Alright, let's begin by clicking Browse Experiences. Here, you can find any experience that you would like to exchange with. I will show you an example of two cases where the experience you want to exchange with is more expensive or it's less expensive than your current experience. Let's start with axe throwing. You can click on Exchange for this experience to start the process. Select the experience you would like to exchange. The price difference is shown here. In this case, we will be receiving credits. And click on the exchange experience when you're ready. Here, you can confirm that this is the experience you want to exchange for, and depending on the price difference, you can receive gift credits on your account, which in this case, we will receive $124 in gift credits. When you're ready, click Confirm Exchange to start the payment process. This is very similar to the purchasing process. You start with the participants. The number will be locked in this case and kept the same as the original experience. We can go ahead and click Continue. Here you can fill out your contact details and we can click Continue when we're ready. Note you cannot gift an exchange to another recipient, so our next step will be the payment step. Here you can confirm the exchange, and in this case, the original experience and the new experience price difference with tax included is $140. So we will be receiving $140 in gift credits. Our original experience will be changed to canceled, and we will have a new upcoming experience. Let's go ahead and click on Complete Free Exchange to complete the exchange process. Congratulations! You have successfully exchanged your experience. You will receive a purchase and a gift email for your new experience, same as the ones during the purchasing process. If the exchange provides gift credits, they will be available to view when you open the drop-down menu, right here. We can click on View My Experiences to view our original and new experiences status. Here, you will see the new upcoming axe throwing experience, as well as the original experience that we exchanged. Cancelled experiences can no longer be redeemed, but will stay on your profile for your records. In the case of exchanging for an experience that is more expensive than the original experience, the price difference can be paid for during the payment process. The rest of the process will be the same. Here, you can choose your preferred method of payment and complete the exchange once you're done. And that's it. You've successfully completed the entire exchanging process on our platform. We hope you enjoy your new experience.